Hi guys! I've been getting a lot of questions lately about what I do for high school classes. So I thought this might be a good time to tell you about something that I started doing just last year and I'm really loving. Except when I'm stuck studying for my college finals on a Disney cruise. I know. First world problems, right? Please, if you like learning about homeschooling, travel, or overall just the life of a kid who really wants to make a difference in the world, please help me out and hit that subscribe button. So I've kind of covered a lot of the curriculums and classes that I've done during high school in my previous vlogs. And you might have noticed a theme here. I changed things up a lot because I've never really found one single curriculum for anything. High school, middle school, or even elementary school that is perfect. So if you're looking for classes for your kids, I urge you to take a look at all the ones I've already posted. But here's something I've never talked about before: dual enrollment in college. That's right, college. If your kid is around my age and they're just flying through their courses, I urge you to reach out to your local community colleges and ask them if they have a program where your high schooler might be able to take part in a college class or two. I actually get college credit for the classes I take. For some colleges, they'll require that you do the SATs first. But for others, they'll just ask you to take something called the AccuPlacer test to make sure your student is ready. And believe me, you'll want to make sure that your kid is ready before tackling this, because you have to remember that these grades really count. If you're planning on transferring into a four-year college as soon as you're able, whether or not you get accepted to that college might weigh heavily on the grades that you get in community college, especially if you're a homeschooler. So don't jump into this unless you are sure you're ready. And college is a lot more work than high school. Believe me, I still have a 4.0 in college, but I work hard for those grades. Harder than I've ever worked. So hard that you might be stuck studying on your vacations too. But I love it and it's totally worth it. But it will mean that you probably won't have a lot of free time to do the things you want to. So do be careful before you sign up. I'm doing a separate video about one great way to see if you're ready for college courses, and another about my top reasons not to start college early. So please be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.
名前は清水寺です。これは京都府に住む人口の半分以上のこれは京都にある素晴らしい古代の宮殿寺院神社のほんの一部です。